Hi, so I've gone and done something slightly crazy this week. I was looking on Facebook as usual for anyone selling off their crafting supplies, and I came across one advert for somebody who was selling off their online scrapbooking business leftovers for, no, it wasn't so cheap, but it was quite a big purchase, but we thought about it and I figured, yeah, why not? I haven't got quite enough stuff yet, so after a trip where our car broke down, we had to be tow trucked back home. Here I am with 4 boxes full of 12 by 12 crafting paper, ribbons, cards and cardstock, really lovely quality, and box full of embellishments, box full of buttons of all sorts, designer buttons and all different colours. My kids have already raided it for the funnest buttons they could find. And then we have a box full of Prima flowers, just loads and loads of packets of flowers, really lovely. Now my plan is I'm not going to use these, so included in this haul was a pack of cardboard boxes that are just the right size for the 12 by 12 papers. So my plan is I'm going to put together crafting packs. In my Cricut perhaps make projects like the pop-up cards you can make. Here we have a whole bag full of these stamps, and there's all sorts. Don't even know what I would do with half of these if I were to keep them myself. Yeah, there's lots of these those, what do you call those, rosettes, fans, and washi tape, embellishments, lovely wooden ones. So my plan is, oh yes, we've got all these what are they called? The Snap. They're from these life journal projects you can get, where you have the little pockets and you can put all the photos and things in them. Got lots of lovely masks and templates. I love those. I've already picked out a few that I want to keep of those. A couple of Jim Holtz things, not too many of those unfortunately. These are my favourite. They're always so expensive, aren't they? Yeah. There we go. You can just see the mask there. So yeah, there's a box full of stuff. Look at the papers we have, the designer papers, so much, all the different colours, Bo Bunny, many different labels here. It's kind of hard to show, holding the iPad with one hand, trying to show you with the other, it wasn't so easy. They're all nicely sorted as well. See, before I've never had a good place to put all my papers, I've had them all shoved in one drawer. Now look at this, here's my favourite out of the lot. Look at the shine on that, absolutely gorgeous. Not sure I can happily sell that, I have to keep it. I've picked out a few of the things I want to keep. I've managed to fit them all in one little bag actually, which I'm going to use for my snail mail sending and projects like that. But all the rest I'm going to sell, or maybe even give away on this channel, some of it. We'll see. If anyone has some nice ideas as to how I can sell this. Now, I'm not going to just do another online craft shop. There's just too many of those. I don't think there's any chance of breaking through there. I could sell it off by bit on Etsy, but that's so boring, you know. See, what I really love to do would be create something to make someone smile. Not craft it myself, but crafting packs to inspire. See, that's the point of this whole channel, is inviting creativity. So I want to somehow send out packs to invite creativity by putting all this stuff together to make someone smile. Yeah, so if you subscribe to this channel, I'll start sharing all the packs I put together and what I do with all this. And maybe when we get to 50 subscribers, I could do a giveaway of some of this lovely crafting stuff. So please do share the channel and tell your crafty friends about it. And yeah, all comments are welcome. Thank you for listening.